I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to create an account with M&T Bank, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the M&T Bank website. Go to the official M&T Bank website. Look for the Open an Account button on the homepage to begin the process. Step 2. Choose your account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as checking or savings. Review the features and benefits of each option to find the best fit for your needs. Step 3. Fill out the application. Complete the online application form with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid delays. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID or answering security questions. This step is crucial for protecting your account. Step 5. Fund your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Creating an account with M&T Bank is straightforward, and following these steps will help you get set up quickly. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service for assistance. Happy banking!